Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I want to show you how you can also apply the strategy I posted in I shared in my last video, the last video on this channel, how you can apply it on other boom and crash pairs. All right, so today I'm on boom 500, and the video I shared yesterday was on crash 1000. I did it on the I demonstrated using the weekly time frame, but you don't want to use the daily time frame. Like I told you, you can apply this strategy to find your setup on a weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and even the 4 hourly time frame. Even the 1 hourly time frame, you can use it to find an entry. But today, find the setup. But for today, we want to look at boom 500, and I'm going to start on the daily time frame. All right, so right on my screen I can see examples of the setup. Right, if you can remember what I told you the setup is, or if you've watched that video, you understand what we want to see is a large bullish candlestick like this. Then we have a small bodied bearish candlestick. Then with that, we expect the market to start the next day's candlestick to be bearish. Then we want to put a horizontal line at the close of the previous day's candlestick. Then we want to see the market going either buying above it or coming down, then retest on it before we know it's ready to sell massively to the downside, like what is happening right here. So if you go to a lower time frame, you will see this was a long sell on boom 500 this particular day. Then we also have another setup right here. This one is close to the current day. So you have a bullish candlestick right here. But this time around, I want to also make you understand that the candlestick pattern, the candlestick that has a small body doesn't need to be a bearish candlestick. It can be a bullish candlestick, but has a small body. If the previous candlestick, like the first bullish candlestick there is actually a long candlestick, then the next one is bearish. The next one has a small body like this one that looks like an indecision candlestick, yet it is up here and very small. Then the color doesn't really matter. All we want to do is just to mark a line and wait to see the market react on that line. Gives us an indication it's going to sell. Then we enter to sell. You can see the massive sales to the downside. The same thing happened to on the bullish aspect of it. All right, so let me go in and demonstrate it properly. I'm not sure we're able to get to this point because it seems so far this 26th of March 2024, if the chart is going to permit me, maybe I will just start from there. Let me go right there, guys. So stick to this video and watch to the end so you can learn. So just watch so you can learn. All right, so first of all, I place this horizontal line at the close of the this particular day's candlestick right here, and this day was the 28th of March 2023. This is 28th of March. That's when we had that small bodied candlestick. So we expect the 29th of March to be bearish, although it's already shown here on the screen. So let's go down and see what actually happened there on the 29th of March. So I will go to the 15 minutes time frame and try to trace 29th of March. What am I looking? All right, 29th of March. Where did it start? Okay, this is 29th of March. 29th of March is almost where it started. Okay, this is good. We are on 29th of March. You can see where it started right there. Let me just zoom in. Let me zoom in. All right, so 29th of March. Let me look for a vertical line to, meanwhile let me look at it properly. Okay, this is where it started. It started where we have this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. The that's where it started. That's where it started properly. Good. All right, so you can see from there, you can see the massive sales on boom 500 to the downside, guys. You can see the massive sales. You see, so this strategy really works. Like I used to tell you, just practice them, practice and practice. It works. You see, so when would we have entered? See what the market did actually on breaking below that particular line. On breaking below the horizontal line, which is the previous day's low, what did it do? It sold a little, then started buying and got back to this line, then gave this particular confirmation candlestick pattern. Guys, see the candlestick pattern it gave here. Yeah, I think this should be pin bar or hammer or whatever. Just understand be able to identify the shape or the candlestick pattern, then you are able to sell, guys. Yeah, you'll be able to get your entry. So look at, from this point, market sold massively. Each time it tries to buy, it can't go up to where it can't even get back to its entry. You can see the massive sales to the downside. You can see the massive sales, guys. You can see the massive sales to the hundreds of dollars would have been made on just from this one setup, guys. Hundreds of dollars can be made from this just one single setup that you've seen. So, guys, so that's one example of it. Let's go to the next example. I'll go back to the daily time frame. Go back to the daily time frame. The next example I saw of the setup was this particular one here, and this happened on the day the small bodied candlestick was formed on the 12th of April. Then on the 13th of April, the market was bearish. So let's go down to, let's mark it here where we had the close of that candlestick. It's a kind of an indication candlestick. So let me just place this here. Then let me go down to 15 minutes time frame and trace what date is that? 12th of April. No, 13th of April is what we're going to trace to see how it played out. All right, so on the 13th of April, where is it? Okay, where is that 13th? Okay, I'm seeing it right now. Okay, see where the 13th of April, see how it happened right here. This, yeah, this way it started with a bearish candlestick. Let me place a horizontal line right there. Yes, that is it. So you can see it started with a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern and it sold massively to the downside. It sold massively to the downside. Personally, I'm not sure I would have entered a trade at that point because I would be scared, you know, although I know from that strategy I taught you guys about break up and retest, breakout and retest, see me. You know, this I would want to enter a trade to target this particular low here, expecting the market to maybe possibly spike on getting to this particular low here at this point. So I would have entered a sell at that point, you know, then wait for a market, take my profit here, then wait to see the market reaction. But you can see after market got to this point, it couldn't really spike enough to get back to this horizontal line. What the market did was form some candlestick patterns that really indicated the market was going to continue. So you see the rejections on these candlesticks here. You can see the rejections here on these candlesticks, series of rejections, you know. So one moment, I'm trying to adjust this. Okay, so you can see these rejections here. So the next thing was this bearish candlestick and it still went down, continued selling and selling and selling. This is massive money, guys. This is massive money, guys. So even if I would have entered a sell trade at this particular point here, even if I would have entered here, then decided to take my profit maybe somewhere around here, maybe around here or so. This is close to almost, you can make over $500, guys, if you can always be patient and wait for this kind of setups to, you know, to happen. You know, you can also use it to catch spikes. All these ones I'm showing you are scalping. You are scalping without fear of spikes. So this will tell you can scalp the market without fear of spikes if you have a good setup. Have a strategy that can allow you to do that. Like this kind of strategy, it can help you scalp the market for even days. You can scalp the market for days. Yes, if you find this kind of setup on it on the weekly or monthly time frame, then there is a chance you can scalp the and you get a very nice entry. You can scalp the market for days. Yes. All right. So that is it. You can see how it played out. All right. So the next thing, let's check another example. I saw about 3 examples. Then let's go and check the next example to show you that this thing works. It's not something of a try your luck. Now, the next one we have here is a bullish candlestick, sorry, a big bodied bearish candlestick followed by a small bodied bullish candlestick right now, and you can see this long wick up here. So what we'll do is just to wait for the market to break to the next candlestick that formed, go above this this close, the close of this small bodied candlestick. On closing, then we want to see the market go above it and coming back to, you know, give us an indication it's going to continue buying, then we enter. So let's look at it. You know, I place a horizontal line on the close of that small body candlestick. There's a horizontal line. Guys, trading is not supposed to be difficult. You know, stop learning all those too many terms. Leave the terms. Look for how to make the money. The terms do not give money. What gives money is all these small things that you are seeing. I'm telling you. This little information I'm giving you, those are the things that give money, not all those big terms, guys. So I'm placing that horizontal line. We go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's check what happened, guys. You can see this happened on the, let's confirm the date. Let's confirm the date. Let's confirm the date this happened. The small body candlestick was on the 14th of March of April, and then on the 15th of April the market was bullish. 15th of April the market was bullish. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame and check the 15th of April. This is the end of look at 15th of April started around this point. Yes, this is where it started. Let me get a vertical line. Let me place a vertical line to indicate it. Good. Actually, this bearish candlestick is where it happened. Okay. Now, see what happened. Market, what market did was just to, since it closed bearish line, if the last 15 minutes candle before the end of that day closed bearish, then market started buying, went up, then came back and reacted to this particular level here. You can see from this point, you can see the massive spikes to the upside. Massive spikes to the upside, guys. Massive buys. You'll be catching spikes until you get tired, guys. Just look for this setup on your chart. Look for this setup. I keep on giving you guys simple strategy that can help you succeed in trading. You know, this entry is very simple. If you understand my strategy, I used to tell you, no matter any strategy I will show you here, I still apply the basic strategy. You know, like what is happening right here, you might be wondering how would you have entered the trade at this point. First of all, if you understand price action, you should know that once you have this kind of candlestick pattern, come in. I'm trying to zoom in so I can show you what I want you to see clearly. Let me get another line. So you should understand whenever you have this kind of pattern, like a bearish candlestick followed by small body bullish candlestick, the next candlestick most likely will be bullish, like what happened there. So this is a very nice entry point. Then if you seem confused, let me show you another way you would have entered the market. Try to zoom out a little. Then you draw your horizontal lines. Put your trend line like here, because this is a structure right here. There's a structure right there. Then we duplicate it. You can see the market was actually forming a channel. The market was actually forming a kind of a channel at that point. Then what happened? You see the market broke out of that channel. There was a breakout. Market was forming higher lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. The market went out of this channel, went above the previous lower high, then came back to retest this zone which has been buying from before. If you trace to the, you can see that market has been buying from this zone previously. Market has been buying from this zone previously and selling too. So this is a key level. On coming back to this key level, you can see the massive buys to the upside. Market has been buying. Imagine you can catch this spike maybe from here. Let's say you entered the trade at this point. Then guys, I hope you can read this thing, what we have on screen, the profit. Massive. So even if you can only hold the trade up to this point, this is over $100 and you're out of the market, guys. So all you need is just to confirm. Just see that setup on the chart, guys. You don't need too much English. You don't need too much terms. Just simple things like that gives money. Simple stuff like that gives money, guys. Simple stuff like that gives money. You know. So if you are still wondering what strategy you're supposed to use, try this one. If you've tried every other strategy and it's not working for you, try to apply this one. Practice it on your demo account. See if you are profitable. If you are profitable on your demo account, then you try to do it on your real account. You have to try doing it on your real account too. It's a very simple strategy. You just need to practice it. It requires some time. Practice it and confirm that you really understand how to use it. You can use this strategy even on the 4-hourly time frame. You can use it on the 4-hourly time frame, though you know on the 4-hourly time frame all these your take profit might not be as long as if you find the setup on your daily time frame. You know, so you might not be holding the trade as long as you'd hold on a more higher time frame. So that is just the difference. But for the strategy, it really works, guys. So like I've told you, this time around I'm no longer considering the color of the candlestick. What I'm considering is actually the size of the candlestick that follows a long-bodied candlestick. If I see a long-bodied candlestick like here, then I see a small body, I want to see market react. Market react, you know, on either breaking above or breaking below this particular body of the candlestick, or close of that particular candlestick, either close or open. It depends on the direction the market would want to go. So just keep on practicing it, guys. All right. So if you are interested in a one-on-one coaching or mentorship with me, then there's a link in the description of this video. Just go in there, click on that link. It will take you to my Telegram channel. There I have I post information about my events. Like today. Today is the 16th day of April 2024. I'm holding a free training, which is going to be taking place at 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m. Nigerian time today. So if you are fortunate to see this video on time, then you can join us on the in the free training where we'll discuss and try to solve some problems to help you, with your trading journey or your trading career. So or you can just, even if you are seeing this video late, just join the Telegram channel so you can join, be able to, or yes, you'll be opportune to join us in subsequent free trainings and other events I would want to hold. But if you need a one-on-one mentorship, you can always reach to point on things to you that you need to see, because there are some little ways people just overlook, little tricks, little ideas people overlook, and it makes this trading career a kind of something very difficult, guys. So if you need a coach for a mentor for that, then contact me as soon as you can. Once you click on that link in the description of this video, it takes you to my Telegram channel. On that channel, you'll find my direct contact. From there, you can reach me so that we can discuss. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe to encourage us to continue growing. And like this video, guys. Like it. I believe you can confirm that I'm sharing values. This is high valued information I'm giving to you guys just for free. It's just only for you to practice it and make use of it and start harvesting money from the reef. So please like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section. Just encourage me by liking the video and sharing your thoughts. It helps to help us grow and go a long way, guys. So till my next video, stay blessed and peace out.